Ever pondered what could be your first step towards achieving fitness goals or overcoming fitness challenges? It's simpler than you might think. The answer lies in incorporating simple, beginner-friendly exercises into your daily routine. Welcome to this guide to fitness, designed especially for those who are just beginning their journey. First up is the classic exercise, the push-up. This simple yet effective exercise targets the chest, triceps, and core muscles. Begin in a high plank position, with your hands directly under your shoulders and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Lower your body towards the ground, keeping your elbows close to your body. Push through your hands to return to the starting position. Aim for 10 repetitions, and remember, maintaining good form is more important than how many you can do. Next on the list is the squat. This exercise is a great way to work your lower body, especially your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Bend at the knees, pushing your hips back as if sitting on a chair. Keep your chest upright and your knees over your toes. Straighten your legs to return to standing. Repeat this movement for 10 repetitions. Now let's shift focus to the core with the plank. This exercise strengthens the entire core, promoting stability and balance. Start in a forearm plank position, with your elbows under your shoulders and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position for 20 seconds, increasing the time as your strength improves. The fourth exercise is the lunges, which target the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Step forward with one foot and lower your body until your front knee is at a 90-degree angle. Push through your front foot to return to standing, then repeat with the other leg. Do this for a total of 10 repetitions on each leg. Lastly, the jumping jacks, a full-body exercise that also serves as a cardiovascular workout. Stand with feet together and arms at your sides. Jump your feet apart and swing your arms above your head, then jump back to the starting position. Repeat this for 30 seconds. To recap, this beginner's guide to fitness has introduced 5 simple exercises: push-ups, squats, planks, lunges, and jumping jacks. Each exercise targets different muscle groups, promoting strength and endurance in the entire body. Remember, consistency is key in fitness. It's not about how much you do in one day, but about making exercise a regular part of your routine. So, aim to incorporate these exercises into your daily life, and watch as your fitness improves. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. It's about making consistent, sustainable changes to your lifestyle. So take that first step today, and start your fitness journey with these simple, beginner-friendly exercises. So are you ready to take the first step towards a healthier, fitter you? The road to fitness starts here. Let the journey begin.